Welcome to day 12 of van life. Today kind of sucks. The weather's really bad. It's the storm from yesterday. I'm pretty much just trying to wait out the day. I don't think today's gonna be too exciting. Not the best intro to a video, but we're gonna make the most of what we can. The weather is disgusting, but not as disgusting as May. After the hike, I wanted to shower using our thingy, but there was too many sandflies, so I didn't want to stay outside. So I just slept, being filthy. And now I'm wearing the same shirt I was wearing yesterday, which is also stinky. So I think getting showers is first thing we do.
So now I have to deal with it.
Woo! Day 12 of van life. Wonderful start to the day. Filling up the van, spend more money, piss and rain. Couldn't be happier. Couldn't be happier. Filled it up. It was $99. So not the most we've paid, but the most expensive per litre we've paid so far. Considering our cheapest was $1.79, this was $2.25. Ouch. Yeah. We've made it to a campsite. It's the first campsite we've actually paid for. We've stayed here for 2 nights and it's only $82. So 45 euros.
Yeah, 45 euros. For showers, Wi-Fi, well we don't really need Wi-Fi, but Wi-Fi. Laundry. And
a nice place to stay.
Yeah, and it's in the middle of the centre, so...
Yeah, the glacier is just back there, so that hopefully the weather gets better. It's just rained the entire time. It's depressing.
It says on the weather app that it's gonna get better.
So we're just waiting for the car park to be open and she'll make wraps. Okay, we've found our spot. This is what 20 euros for 2 nights gets you. We got a little park bench and a bit of privacy, I suppose, which is quite nice. And with the weather being so bad, for the first time, we're gonna set up an awning.
Yeah, we're here 2 nights and I don't think we'll be leaving, so...
Now for the fun part of the day, we gotta wash ourselves, wash the dishes, clean the van, and clean our clothes. Yeah, it's not the most fun time I've ever had, I can't lie. Yep, that's so much easier than using the sink we have where you gotta pump out every drop of water you got. I know.
Hi, he's following you.
He's following you because he gave you sausages.
Yeah. So we've packed our washing, we've cleaned out the van finally, and we've got a shower bag, so we're gonna do laundry, shower, pick up laundry, hang up laundry, go explore Franz Josef.
Ready to go. Just bought some washing powder, or so they say. The wash is on. Everything's clean now, but us.
Yeah, that's our turn.
We've got our washing done. I don't know if we're going to be able to
hang everything up.
Yeah.
No. We'll see.
Got it all hung up. Not exactly comfortable, but it'll do the job.
If it rains, we're fucked.
Finally have all the chores done. Now it's time to finally explore Franz Josef. The clouds are just covering the mountains already. We're not even that high up, so I think the clouds are just so low down.
Suction so you can like get to the next season.
No. We're starting to feel the rain now. We did a bit of shopping. We got some milk powder and burger buns.
Guess what we're eating tonight?
Yeah, milk.
So I'm on the hunt for the closest kitchens, that's the word. I've only found bathrooms. I think it's just the one at the front, but I was hoping there's one closer. Not that that's that far of a walk. This one's Hobbit's Lane. Very cute. Here is a chill spot with plugs. So I'm gonna tell Paddy that. Look, I can work on his videos so you guys can see this. Found another little kitchen and it's in here. We are over here. Yeah, that's our cat. That's the cat that likes sausages. No. Yeah, I don't have any more sausages. Sorry. So I've put on my sports leggings for all the midgies, and I had one extra pair of sports leggings and someone's long pants have been in the wash.
So sexy leggings time, huh?
And he also stole my socks, and now my ankles are exposed, and his aren't.
Do you know the typical, like, girls steal their boyfriend's clothes? I've got shoes, and I'm not gonna lie, my ass looks terrific.
Tonight we'll show you.
Oh, whoa. Didn't have these shorts on now. Trust me, you'd be seeing something special. It's so nice being able to use these features, like just can make a good barbecue tonight, I'm sure. Make some good burgers, boil in some water now, just look, whatever you want. It's ideal. Little coffee date, huh?
Cute.
Looking like such an old couple. Chess and coffee, huh?
I'm actually already old, so I'm allowed.
That is true.
So yeah, you get it. First. Yeah.
It's not a big fan of cuddles, huh?
I'm a big fan of sausage.
What are you doing? Sexy Lexi, huh?
Comfy.
I'm very comfy.
Look at him.
I've got my leggings on.
Such a white girl.
Peanut butter now in a spoon.
Peanut butter in a spoon.
Yeah, I just want my peanut butter in a spoon.
You have a heartbreak.
Oh, that would make this so much better, should we? Prepping some burgers, and now we can finally use their gas as opposed to our gas, because we are running low. We don't know where to buy the gas, because we haven't tried, but we gotta get some soon.
Bring it back.
We got moldy burgers. Damn. But 2 survived. Well, we finished with some burgers.
Finally, that took about an hour.
Jill is not a patient woman when it comes to it. But now some nice beers. Oh, how was it?
That was good. That's nice.
Worth the wait. Yeah, that's it for today. We ended up calling some friends, had a lovely chat. It was good fun. It was a very different day. It wasn't a very exciting vlog, no, I'm not gonna lie, but it's the reality of van life.
We smell good.
We do smell terrific, and we can shower tomorrow, and we can shower the day after.
Ah, so excited.
The clean life for a while. But back to normal tomorrow. Hiking, shenanigans, good fun. So she's so excited. Till next time.
Bye.